Hi, Joe Lee Miles. So a lot of times cars come in, we have communication errors, transmissions don't work, engines go into limp mode. Any slew of symptoms can happen when communication of the computers that are inside the car go down. And you know, it can be very scary because you could need computers, which are extremely costly. You could need wire harnesses, which are extremely extensive. Or sometimes it's as simple as, like in this one, I found after we put something in, I had a couple of dirty terminals, and I get to sit in here and I get to just clean this up, and I get to clean these pins up after verifying that when I exercised the connection that everything came back to life. So I'll get to come in here, clean this up, put it back together, program it in the way it's going to go.